What is up, guys? Stan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the duplicate files in Microsoft OneDrive, and I'll show you two ways. So first, you need to log in with your OneDrive account, and after that, when you are redirected to the home page, you need to click on My Files, and after clicking on My Files at the top here in the search bar, you need to type in copy, and after that, you just need to hit enter, or the arrow that you have seen here, you just need to simply press that, and when you type in copy, this shows all the duplicate files because all the duplicate files have copy at the back of their name. But if you can't do it like this, you can just come back to My Files. And after coming back to the My Files, you can just simply click on the sort button, and in this you can sort it according to the file size. And when you sort it according to the file size, you will see all the duplicate files lying side by side. So you can just simply select it like this and then click on delete to delete the particular file that you want, the particular duplicate file that you want to delete. So this is how you can delete duplicate files in Microsoft OneDrive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.